Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into Roblox with an account that has Studio access. Once signed in, open Roblox Studio and load the place you'll modify. Make sure autosave is on. Next, show the Asset Manager from the View menu so you can browse the library inline. You're doing this now to avoid switching windows later. It keeps assets organized. Also verify you're using the right account because access to some models and audio depends on permissions and ownership. Once the Asset Manager is visible, use the search bar and filters to narrow results to models, decals, audio, or plugins. Filters speed things up. You should preview an item before inserting to inspect dependencies and confirm creator trustworthiness, because some assets include scripts that affect your game. When ready, right-click and choose Insert, or drag the asset into the Explorer or directly into the viewport. Make sure inserted assets land in the correct hierarchy and tidy parent-child relationships immediately to avoid runtime errors. To finish, organize inserted items in the Explorer. Group reusable parts into folders or module scripts so you can reuse them. Then run Play or Start Server in Studio to test functionality. Watch the output for errors and address missing references or script issues. If an asset fails to appear, make sure you have permission for that asset, confirm the asset ID is correct, and try clearing Studio's cache or refreshing the Asset Manager. If problems persist, revert to a saved version and re-add assets carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.